The first day at a new school is always exciting, but not for Skylar. Okay, I can do this. Her confidence is inspiring. Hi everyone, I'm new and I'm gonna study with you. Who is that? I'm coming closer! Oh! That was impressive. There's nothing funny about it. She's kind of weird, Jack, don't you think so? Yeah, she's cool. Mamma mia, what's going on here? That's so disrespectful. I had nothing to do with it. Why are you smiling? Jack Smith. All right, who's going to solve the problem? I guess let's hear from Skylar Watson. Come on, show us your knowledge.
Yeah.
That's easy. D goes here. Good girl, you deserve the highest score. Skylar's good at crafts too. Excellent. Without a doubt, that's an A+. And the rest of you get Fs. This thing is broken. That's it. I give up. The history test was a blast. You should all look up to the new girl. Big deal. She just got lucky. Before she knew it, Skylar was the best student in school. There's that little know-it-all. Yeah, I can sign your autograph. Oh! Nerds like you go here. Serves her right, yes. La 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 la. No way! Who did this to me? Uh-oh, permanent marker! Come off already! What? Are you kidding me? That's not funny at all. Skylar studies her classmates' behavior to blend in. Interesting observation. Carrie loves chewing gum. And looks like Jack does too. Wow. I'll have to use that. Attention, class. Let's write a quiz. Mrs. Green looks like a penguin. Task 1 is to get gum. Here we go. I found as much as I could. Yummy. Wow, mint. Guys, look at this. I'm going to blow a giant bubble. Are you sure about this? Look at your face. Oh no, not again. Why do I have such bad luck? If you wanted to make us laugh, you did it. You guys are so mean after all. Ah! Did she fall again? Loser! What? How about that? Mrs. Green's portrait. Wow, it looks just like her. What are you kids whispering about? I tried so hard. Hey, why is everybody looking away? What do you have there? Oops. Oh, you mean this? There's nothing to see. Really? Well, in that case, let's get on with the lesson. Jack Smith is the school's cheerleading star, and he has no idea that Carrie is secretly in love with him. Hey, get out of the way! Here, I brought you that book.
What?
In this part, Harry gets a broom as a gift. I don't get it. What was that? This new girl is becoming a real problem. Oh, help! I can't breathe, Jack! How gorgeous! Help! I can't breathe! Hang in there, Carrie! I'll save you! Not you! I'm talking to Jack! Don't be afraid! Here, I'll help you! 1, 2, 3, breathe, Carrie! It looks like Carrie's plan has failed. Leave me alone! Well, who knew it would turn out like this? Where's that notebook? Oops! What's wrong with my hands? Carrie decides to try again and confess her love to Jack. There, I drew you. I hope you like it. Wow, Carrie, you've got talent.
Whoa!
Do you really think so? Then give me a kiss, my love. Next time I'll take my backpack with me. Oh, Carrie. You got it all wrong. What? Oh, I see. Lovebirds. You ruined the perfect moment.
What's wrong with Carrie?
Run after her, silly. Well, are you ready, Jack?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. PE class is in full swing. Skylar wants to get involved. Can't you see we're already playing?
Yeah, and Carrie is losing to me.
Come on, guys, just 5 minutes. You won't even notice. Oh, please.
Ha, those tricks don't work on me.
Catch the ball. Carrie, you're so cool. And you play better than anyone. Please let me try to hit just one time. I said no. Just one tiny hit, Carrie, please. Okay. All right, but make it quick. Who's the coolest? Skylar's the coolest.
1, 2, 3, let's go.
Oh, already? Okay, let's go. Uh-oh, looks like Skylar's really getting into it. What do you think of my super hit? Catch that, Jack.
Ah! Oh my gosh!
Yes! Call me the Golden Racket! How about a rematch? Or are you scared? Ha! Not at all! Let the game begin! Try to stop me! Looks like Skylar has a worthy opponent this time. You're doing good, Carrie! How do you like that? That's it! Break! Ouch! My head! Oh yeah, that's a win, baby!
Where am I?
Get some rest, boy. Carrie and Jack love fast food. They eat it every day. Skylar can't relate. She only eats healthy food. Hey, Jack, look at the new girl. That's hilarious. Mom's lunch was made with love. Why are you laughing? You're just jealous of me. Jealous? You're right. Hey, Skylar, here's your lettuce. You obviously need it more. How dare you mock me? Now that's what I call a snack.
Uh-oh, there's obviously something wrong with this hot dog. Ugh, I don't feel good.
Wait! Wow, what a bicep.
Yeah, I love my muscles. Hey, I can't believe I fell for that.
What's up, stale hot dog lovers? And they were laughing at me? Serves you right. What was that for? I love broccoli.
Whatever, ignore her.
That's boring.
How about a paper shootout?
Hey, what are you doing? Oh yeah? You asked for it. Here you go. Take that. Hey, that's not fair. 2 against 1. Here you go, Carrie. And this one's for you, Jack.
Calm down. Just stay calm. Ugh! How many times? Aren't you ashamed of yourselves doing that right under the teacher's nose? Clean it up now and don't leave a single piece of paper.
No, not the cleaning.
Guys, I've got a better idea. Let's have a party in the classroom. It's gonna be awesome.
In less than 5 minutes, the guests are already here. That was a great idea.
Oh, by the way, you weren't supposed to be here.
Hey guys, open up! I love this track. Turn it up. If this is a joke, it's not funny.
No newbies allowed.
No way, I won't give up that easily. Catch this, Jack.
Now this is what I call a party.
They don't know who they're messing with. Skylar's not so easy to get rid of. Ow! Stop throwing stuff! Ouch! Attempt number 2. Since the party's not going to Skylar, Skylar is going to the party herself. Thanks for coming. Cowabunga! What? What's wrong with her? Yes, that was a soft landing.
Skylar, this is for you. Clean up, would ya?
What? There's a cheerleading contest coming up. Jack, stop staring at yourself. We have to rehearse. 1, 2, 3. Say Kai. Say yo. Say tease. Go Coyotes. Wow, they're so cool. Stronger than steel. Hotter than the sun. Yes, the Coyotes won't stop till they've got the job done.
Oh, here they come. Come on, guys, I'm rooting for you. The Troom School cheerleading team is here.
Stronger than steel, hotter than the sun. Go Coyotes!
I got you. Wow, that's some muscle. That's what I'm talking about.
It looks like the jury is in shock. Jack, give me your hand. I'm going to fall. Carrie! Wow, what a twist.
Bravo! Were you trying to pull a prank on us? You did it!
Yeah, that's right. Get up, Skylar. You're part of our team.
Yeah.
How about that?
Get out of here! I think this is the beginning of a good friendship. 1, 2, 3, 4, go Coyotes!
Yes, that's what I was talking about. You definitely deserve to win. The title of Troom City's best cheerleading team is yours. Congratulations!
Yeah,
That guy is lost cause. Attention, class. Be very careful with these chemicals. Shake it up, but don't mix it. Like that.
I hate chemistry. Ew, that stinks.
Yay!
And Skylar can't wait to do the experiment. Oops, Houston, we have a problem.
Fire alarm! Everyone out of the room! Hurry up, kids. Run for the exits!
Who knew this would happen?
I don't believe it. Our school, it's gone.
Thank you, Skylar.